Yeah, I just want to say a few words on how to fit the tunnel of the air vent for this tumble dryer. It's not an easy thing to do. There's a knack to it, a way to it, that you need to know about. Now, it's got to be fit back in precisely the right way, because it's ducting the air around the system. So if you mess it up, it's not going to work. Now, what I did was to put some polystyrene here and some more over here to try and lift this drum a little bit away from the tunnel, and that gives you extra few millimeters, and that helps. But the second thing you've got to know about, well, there's two things you need to know about. This wiring harness, you must make sure doesn't snag on the tunnel as you fit it in, because if it did, you wouldn't be able to slide in the groove, and you'd be frustrated. So you've got to move the wiring harness out of the way and keep it out of the way as you're fitting it into place. The second thing you've got to do, there are sliders on either side which go into a groove on either side, and at the far end it's fitting into another groove as well, and you've got to make sure that goes in. Now, the way to do it is to, when it's halfway in, turn it so it goes into, there's quite a deep gully here. Get it into that gully, and then it will be guided and it will slide into the back. And that really is the only way you can do it. If you try and push this all back and then get it in, you cannot do it. This plastic is very, very tough plastic, and you can't bend it. I don't know if you'd want to anyway. But once it's done, celebrate afterwards, because that is not an easy thing to do, and I thought I'd share that with you. This is the one thing that is a tough part of doing the whole exercise, and the reason I'm doing this is so that I can get a capacitor at the back. Candy don't make it easy for you. I don't know why, but you'd think they'd locate the capacitor closer so you can easily get it, but, as other companies do, but they do things in their own way. So there you are. I'm delighted I've managed to do it, and I want to tell you that as well. So hope this helps you.